Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the seat straps on a Baby Jogger City Select stroller seat. As you can see, this is my Baby Jogger City Select double stroller. This is one of the seats that I have, and if you want to change the position of the seat straps, whether you want to increase the height, so bring them to a higher slot, as you can see right here, or decrease the height, this is how to do it. It's actually really easy to do. You're going to look at the back of the seat. Now I'm going to do my best to do this with one hand and sort of show you how it works. There's going to be a zipper, so you're going to go ahead and unzip that, okay? And that reveals this little Velcro piece. And if you pry apart this little Velcro piece, you can see there's a hard board back here. This is like the backer board, I guess, the backboard of the stroller seat. And you can see that the straps come through here. And there's this hard little plastic piece that basically holds the straps in place and prevents them from going through to the other side. Now, the straps like this, the plastic piece will prevent it from going through, but if you take this and you turn it sideways, you can slide it through to the front, and then you can adjust the position that way. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to raise this up over here. So as you can see, we're at the lowest slot, okay? Now I'm gonna reach my hand in there and I'm gonna turn that little plastic piece sideways, okay? I'm gonna reach my hand in that little, where that backer board was, and I'm turning the plastic piece sideways and I'm sort of pushing it through. And as you can see right here, just like that, there it is, coming through, and we're through. So now I just have to pull it through the fabric, okay? Now the key factor here, once again, there we go. The key factor here is make sure that the strap's straight. So make sure that the strap's straight. I'm just gonna put it in the next one up. I'm not really doing much. So the strap is still straight from the way that it was before. To put it back through there, you just turn it sideways and you slide it through there and you push it through the backer board. Now there's two parts. There's the fabric and there's the backer board. So you gotta make sure that you push it through the backer board as well, not just the fabric. I kinda wanna fold this underneath here to make it a little bit easier, just like that. Really give it a push through there. And it should come out the other side. I'm going to reach my hand into the other side, and it's right over here. So on the other side now, I'm able to actually pull it through. So I'm just going to pull it through just like this. Just give me 1 second. There we go. And it's through. So now, if I pull on this strap, which is now in the higher position, you can see we're good to go. And I always recommend that whenever you're done adjusting the straps, that you pull on them, move them side to side. Just make sure that they're really in place. And even go as far as to check what they look like on the backer board. Make sure that they're in place properly, that they're not twisted or turned sideways or anything. That's it. And then obviously do the other strap to even it out, but I'm not going to make you watch me do the exact same thing a second time. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.